team na sumusuporta sa Team Love. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Mega loud shoutout po guys. Kay Boss Lansky, itawag daw sa iyo ay Dapio. Ayan, ang ganda naman oh. May pwedeng upuan. Masarap dyan umupo, may kasama ka. Ayan oh. Diba? Kasama mo yung mga kulokoy mong kaibigan, tapos may tsa. O, diba? Ano si Kuya driver, parang Pilipino. Pero Nepal daw siya. Ayan. Kinakabahan ako. Sana wala na maraming tao kasi kailangan kong bumalik ng alas 2. So much. Meron akong free ride back and forth. Salamat talaga sa mga amo ko. Thank you so much talaga. Oh my God, West Bay pa lang tayo. Kuya, we still here in West Bay.
Sorry?
Yeah, we is still here in West Bay now.
This is West Bay.
Yeah. And this area is what?
Simpson West Bay.
Yeah. How many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oh my God, traffic. Go, go, go. Tingnan mo naman yung traffic. Oh. Go, 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 traffic. Go, go, go. Yala, go. Gumi, gumi, gumi. Ang hirap nung ganito. Susunduin ko pa yung alaga ko ng tree. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo, Gemma. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Sana bukas yun. They do praying?
Sorry?
The embassy, they do praying?
Embassy?
Yeah.
Elvin Embassy?
Yeah.
No, the backside.
Huh?
Yeah, backside.
Which backside? I go to Polo Owa.
Sorry?
I go to Polo Owa, yeah?
Ah, you go Polo away? Ah, yeah. This Al Nasser, no? Yes, yes. Near. No?
That is Philippine Embassy.
Philippine Embassy and backside.
It's not same.
No same.
Oh my God, baka mali.
Philippine Embassy and
I need to do verification of my contract. Where I need to go? Polo Owa, yeah?
Yeah, Polo.
Okay, okay, okay. Sana tama tayo. Kinakabahan na ako. If I go Polo Owa and then go to embassy, lalamon siya ng oras. Puta. Yala, yala, yala. Bakit too much traffic here? Kuya, no more options? Why? We need to fly. Oh my
This one,
God.
this signal, then go quick.
The signal, too much traffic.
Yeah, this finish now.
Go, 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 go. Tulog na yung Toyota. Tulog na siya. Bilisan mo. Unahan ka na. Go, go,
Swing
go, go.
police maybe. Second.
Go, baby, go, baby. Oh my God. Mandihin nila ako sa atin dito. We are the one. Sana hindi busy doon, guys. Please. Please, sana hindi busy. Please lang, sana hindi busy. Natutulo yung luha ko. Natutulo. Ayun na naman siya. Stop na naman tayo. Alam mo, may kagamutan daw yan, oh. Yung pitimini na yan. Gamot daw yan sa bato. Gan. Maglalaga ka daw niyan. Gamot sa bato. Pero nakaka-ano yan? Nakaka-low blood siya. Kumusta po kayo? Namimiss ko na mag-premiere. Nag-premiere ako last Saturday pa. Saturday ba? Friday meron. Saturday wala. Oh, Saturday meron. Sunday, Monday. 2 days na yata. Oh my goodness. I like this. Yan guys. Ilang minuto yung biyahe? 8:59 na tayo. Sabi niya kanina is 10. So, namang sinta. Walang tao doon. Masyado. Sana wala masyadong tao, guys. Mega loud shout out po sa inyo dyan. Yung mata ko parang hindi ko na napipigilan. Tutulo talaga yung luha.
Hello?
Ay. Oh my God.
Yes? Okay.
Traffic na naman siya.
Okay, I check. Okay.
Magko-complain
Give
na
your
talaga
number.
ako. Magko-complain na ako dun sa ministry.
I'm busy. I have a customer. Later I check. Give your number.
Bakit nila nilalagyan ng matagal na red light dito sa dadaanan ko?
Okay, give your
Green
number.
light.
I check after I call you.
Nabuwang. Ayan guys, ang ganda naman dun, oh. Pink
Give your number.
house,
I
pink
check
building.
my car and after I call you.
Let's go, let's go, let's go,
Okay, okay.
kuya, let's go, kuya,
Okay,
let's
I
go,
call
go, go. For rent yung building. Nalagyan ng chocolate and pastries and chocolate. Chocolate and pastries. Go, 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 go. Frame corner. Today is 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. Give me your hands. Hold it tight. Bakit hindi ko alam yung kanta na? Pero paborito ko yun. She's a little bit dangerous. Oh. Oh my God. February 20th Street. Wait, Sparmore?
Sorry?
Sparmore?
Not near.
Near.
Take 3 minutes. 1 minute. 1.5.
Biladyo. Kuya, that is Biladyo na.
Yeah, this place. That's far.
Ayan, Biladyo na dun, oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, Wyndham Park na yan. The other side is my house. Ayan, guys. Sana tama itong ginagawa tigil. Puro sige lang ng sige. 1 minute, 2 minute. O, yung kabila na naman. Oh. Malapit na pala dito yung bahay ni ate. Kaya pala lumipat sila.
This here?
This one? That one?
This no. This.
Where?
Oh, Polo, what?
Polowa?
Polo.